I am using Peaches and Cream, 100% cotton, in the color Sunshine. And I want to say the green was Soft Mint. And the size G. The size G crochet hook. Okay, so I got the yellow hooked on, and now I'm going to do one, I'm doing them half doubles because I can't do a whole bunch of singles yet. So I'm doing one half double, then an increase in the next one. So in the increase, I have 2 half doubles in one stitch. And then one. The yarn keeps trying to separate. And then 2. And then 1. And then 2. And then I slip stitch together. So it's slowly increasing the lemon out. So like round 4 is just going to be a half double all the way around. So I will stop the video for now. Okay, so I've done a couple rows, and now I'm going to do a 7 half doubles and then an increase. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, increase, and then 7 again, and then an increase. And then I'm going to do that one more time around and see what the next steps are. So there's 5. I'm just doing half doubles all the way around. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, Okay, so I'm going to continue this on, and this is row 9, and I'm going to continue this on until row 13, through row 13. So here's that.